Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater not launching, crashing, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen on Xbox console. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. So the fix one include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after following all 4 steps, then check your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater's cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater game and highlight it, then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to devices, connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Now press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now you can launch Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So press the Xbox button to open the guide, click on settings in profile and system section, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, click on settings in profile and system section. In general tab, select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, then continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one works for you. Fix 4 is to change DNS server manually. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in primary DNS enter 888 and in secondary DNS enter 8844. Now launch the game again and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1111 and in secondary DNS enter 1001 and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to reinstall Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall the game from your Xbox, then fresh reinstall it. Now launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by this way you can fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater not launching, crashing issue, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.